Welcome to my daughter's makeover. We started this way back in the summer, and she has so much stuff that it took us this long to get through everything, and I had to DIY a couple pieces. The first step was to get everything out and kind of evaluate what we had. She has too much stuff, and yes, I am the problem, but I love buying her stuff, and a lot of it is thrifted, consigned, secondhand, or upcycled, so I really don't feel bad. Once we get everything out, we were able to rearrange the furniture a little bit and see what we needed. And of course, we went shopping because we needed a couple new things, like the nightstand and also some good organizational things. Having that little seat below her window, super cute plus functional because we could use it for storage. We also added a bookshelf to her room for all her books. When I redid her closet, I got these skirt hangers, which were amazing, so I'll make sure to link them below. I did redo her vanity, got that all set up, and then I bought a new dresser on Facebook Marketplace, and she actually helped me redo that one. We sanded it down, we painted it, got new hardware to match some of the artwork that she has in her room. Then we got everything set back together, and this is kind of the final results. We have some really cute art up. I would like to eventually paint her walls at some point. At least we have the room set and we have some nice new things in it. Again, the aesthetics in the room is super cute. A lot of things like are pink and just really girly. I love that everything has a place, so it's super easy for her to put her stuff away now. And she has a new desk in there that she can actually sit and either do her crafts or her homework. I made that lampshade there that has like the Eiffel Tower to it, and a lot of things are just DIY'd. I did make a vanity light when I went to Habitat for Humanity and then redid that lamp for that. And the vanity is one that it was an old vanity, and it took me a while to get all the old paint off and redo that all together. The final result, I'm just loving it. She absolutely loves it, and we are definitely going all out for Christmas this year, so I'll post some pictures on my social media for Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to follow me there too, because you'll be able to see all of that. I just love all the floor space she has to now play or dance around in her room. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow so that you don't miss any of my DIYs or our crazy shenanigans that we have going on here, and make sure to follow on social media so you can see this room all done up for Christmas.